Could biohacking really be the secret to your ultimate fitness? Welcome to the cutting edge of fitness, where science meets self-improvement. Today, we're exploring the world of biohacking. We're talking about high-tech wizardry that promises to turn you into a lean, mean, supercharged machine. So, what exactly is biohacking? Let's break it down. Imagine giving your body a complete software upgrade. Biohacking is just that, but for your biology. It's all about using cutting-edge science and technology to boost your health, mental performance, and overall well-being. Think of it as personal optimization with a sprinkle of sci-fi flair. The concept of biohacking actually dates back to the early 1970s, when a group of computer enthusiasts began experimenting with how to improve their own performance through technology. Since then, biohacking has evolved into a mainstream trend, with athletes and celebrities like Chris Hemsworth, Kim Kardashian, and Gwyneth Paltrow, to name a few, all jumping on the bandwagon. The tools of the trade include: Number 1. Supplements. Forget your basic vitamins. Biohacking introduces nootropics and adaptogens. These are supercharged supplements designed to elevate your brain power, energy, and recovery. It's like giving your body a little extra horsepower. Number 2. Wearable tech. Fitness trackers and smartwatches are your personal health assistants. They monitor your sleep, heart rate, and activity levels, helping you stay on top of your game. It's like having a personal trainer strapped to your wrist. At number 3, genetic insights. For those who like to live on the edge, there's gene editing. This is where you play genetic designer, tweaking your DNA to enhance traits or eliminate pesky ones. Just remember, you're not creating a superhero yet. And number 4, innovative therapies. Imagine chilling in an ice bath or a sauna that feels like a warm hug from a sunbeam. Biohackers use cryotherapy and infrared saunas to speed up recovery and detoxify. It's wellness with a side of luxury. Of course, with any trend comes controversy. Some experts argue that biohacking can be dangerous if not done properly, so if you think you're ready to biohack, start by doing some research and experimenting with different techniques to see what works best for you. Remember, everyone's body is different, so what turns one person into a superhero might make another feel like they've been hit by a bus. It's all about finding what makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Some methods can be risky, and the long-term effects are often a big mystery. So, before diving into the deep end, do your homework and consult with experts. Thank you for watching. Please drop a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.